Time to open up a box and check out the puzzle that's inside. So I got this from Sephora. Their company sends out, it has subscriptions that you can get. And they gave me a subscription so that I could give an honest review of the puzzles. Check this out. Oh man, I know this puzzle. I know this puzzle. I thought it would be smaller. Honestly, I've seen a picture of this puzzle before. I've never owned one. I've actually wanted to buy this exact puzzle, so this is perfect. This is the Hanayama Ring puzzle. It's not, you know, I've got, let's see here. Sorry. I know this puzzle. I've seen it before. Oh, there it is. Ring 2. It's that one. So I saw that. I have lots of... I have boxes all over of Hanayama stuff. But this is one I don't have. I always thought that it would be the size that it would fit on your finger. So that's kind of cool. Unless I had a massive finger, you know, but... All right, this is great. So this is, it looks like it's 5 pieces. Here we go. And it comes together, which is kind of cool. Let's... Oh. Don't want to... Okay. So it comes together, so that means it's similar to the coaster puzzle. You want to look at it before you take it apart, so that you know where all the pieces go. So we've got this flat piece here with that divot. And then we've got the bent piece there. All right. Nice. Okay. All right. Well, I'm going to take it apart and do see if I can solve it just straight up. But first off, let's take a look at the puzzle. It does have some rivets holding it together. It's got pieces that look like they are. Looks like to me these two pieces here are identical. These ones are identical. They're opposite though. You got the bent pieces and then you've got the central piece. That cool symbol in it. And if I know Hanayama, one of these is, there we go. I knew it. Stamped with Hanayama on it. All right. Cool. So, just like the coaster puzzle, when I'm solving this type of puzzle, I try and think about what pieces might possibly go in different places. So we know this one has to somehow kind of be around there. So move that out of the way. It looks like, okay, so you see this one, I mean, you see that wrapped around there, it would have to kind of go through the other one. So I'm assuming then that it'll be this one, the Hanayama piece, going, oh, look at that. See how that one fits right on top? Yeah, that's the way to do with this puzzle. Okay. So you've got that piece on top, and then the other piece will go on the bottom. So this one will go on the bottom. There's a whole lot of mess down here. Let's swing that back around and okay, here. All right, so this one's gonna go underneath, basically the same thing that we did with this one. There we go, boom. It'll land right on top. Yep. And then these two pieces fall right into place. There we go. So that's how to solve it. Nice. So this one here, you can, it's kind of neat. You can see the solution when you just look at the pieces of it. So that's kind of fun. I just did an unboxing and a solution. They're pretty easy to figure out, this type of puzzle. Again, being able to see it. I'm sure with some practice I could get a faster method of doing it rather than just sort of fiddling around with it as I went. But that seemed to work. Also, knowing that this triangle type shape is here, I'd probably figure out, like, oh there, the Hanayama stamped piece goes on top when this triangle is facing down. So that might be a tip to kind of get it started off the right way. What I am noticing though with this is that the pieces don't really hold in place. So they don't kind of snap into place. So you will need to, like I'm going to need to keep these just to kind of hold this puzzle in place, because as soon as I let go, it's all going to just fall apart. But that's really cool. In some ways, I kind of wish almost that it would fit on my finger. I could just wear it around and be like, yeah, I know how to solve puzzles. But anyway, so that is a puzzle, again, sent from this company. And I hate to say things the wrong way. Cifrere? I don't know. You can check them out and get a subscription. And they'll send out a kind of a random puzzle every month according to their subscription stuff. So you can check that out. I'll have links in the video description. But that is the Ring 2, the Hanayama Ring 2 puzzle. And I am glad I got this one. I've been wanting that for a while. Have a wonderful day.